to be showing you how to change out your leveling bars. So a lot of the loaders are different. These ones actually have these pins that have these bolts kind of holding them in. A lot of the loaders now, the new ones, have a little E-clip that you just got to pop out, and then the pin will slide out. But like I said, with this, all you got to do is take out that little bolt on both sides over here. And then after that, what you're going to want to do is bleed your hydraulics off a little bit, just so there's no pressure on that bar. So come over here, put it in float, move it around a little bit, just so those pins are nice and easy to get out of there. Still probably going to have to use a hammer and a punch, but I'm not going to have to destroy the pin. I'll be right back. Alright, set that down there. This one's a little harder. There we go. Alright, now pretty much just have to do the opposite of what you just did to put it back in. Those bolts in there. Actually, I think this one. And then once you get those tightened up, you're pretty much done.